Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send a secure email in Gmail. So first of all, open Gmail on your device and then click Compose button. And then you want to click this three-dot button in your upper right corner and then select confidential mode. And that's basically a secure email. Then you need to set the expiration date, for example, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 5 years. For example, I want my email to expire in 1 day. And then I can require a passcode if it's necessary. So it could be standard or SMS passcode. Select depending on what you want, and then when you're done setting up your these settings, you need to click this sign icon and then continue fulfilling your email. And then after you're done, you need to send your email by clicking this send icon. So basically the receiver will see a link to view this email, this secure email. And for example, if you enabled passcode, they will need to verify it with a code that will be sent to their phone. The benefits of these secure emails is that person who will receive your email cannot forward, copy, download, or print your email. But you need to keep in mind that Google can still technically access the content of your email, so be mindful. So yeah, that's basically how you send a secure email. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.